Okay, in this video, I will guide you through the steps to edit audio and enhance your recording. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. First of all, you need to import the audio file. So click on open and just import your file. So after that, you need to check whether it's the correct file or not. So tap on the last option to get the effects option. And the first step is you need to search for normalize, so it will normalize your voice. Okay, so and the second step is you need to go to effects and you need to search for noise reduction. Background noise can be distracting, so it's really important to minimize it. So do the same settings shown in this video, so keep it into 1 and the last one should be 20,000 and click on apply. So now you can simply check whether your audio is fine or not. So yeah, it is looking good. So after that, the next step is you need to move to effects once again and you need to search for equalizer. Okay, the technique allows you to shape the frequency response of your voice, so making it sound more pleasing and balanced. Select the portion of audio you want to equalize. So there are different opinion of people in this section. Okay, some may like some settings and some may prefer another settings. So I will show you two settings. So the first step is this. Okay, this one. Okay, and just you can click on apply now. And the next one is you need to keep the 16,000 only at high point, and you can just adjust the 16,000 and 8,000 according to your preference. So this may be different according to users. So just fill the text and click on apply. So the last step is you need to move to effects and just move to the convert stereo mono. So make sure you select convert stereo to mono. Okay, and just click on apply. Now you can just check your audio, and if you are not satisfied, just edit it. So to save, you need to select WAV and make sure to select in WAV only, otherwise it will not show your edited audio. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video.